airing down again.
Again.
Really just pumped them up.
Here we go. Have a look at this cooker.
We are starting the Mt Ngungun
I'm probably
hike.
pronouncing that horribly wrong, so sorry. I'm Matt, and this is Holly. We've been travelling around Australia for the past 12 months in our old Toyotas, going to some of the most incredible locations. Subscribe and join the adventure.
This episode we jump back onto Teewah Beach for another night's camp with Sam and Mark from a company called A247. After we put the canopy back on, we head back down towards Brisbane and the Glasshouse Mountains, where we hike Mt Ngungun.
Alright, so we just left Rainbow Beach. Darcy and Marley left a little while ago. Absolute legends. Thanks so much for that, guys. Darcy and Marley, that was really good couple of days of you guys on Fraser, and yeah, can't wait to do the troopy. Now we're going to go back to Teewah camp area where we actually camped with Luce and Jess a little while ago from As We Wander, and we're catching up with one of our patrons, and he also happens to be with A247, which is they do 4-drive camping gear, some really good stuff. So him and a few of his work partners are coming out, so yeah, we're going to spend a night with them on the beach and yeah, have a camp. Should be good.
So airing down again.
Again.
Really just pumped them up.
Yeah, this is becoming a bit of a regular.
Yeah.
Our tyres aired down more than aired up in the past few days.
Yeah. Back on the beach.
Yep. Getting my little Oricom range extender aerial on the roof. These people I'm meeting up with, I said we're on channel 24, so I thought I better whack it on just in case they're trying to get onto me. Don't have too much, a heap of range of this aerial, so this will give me a bit more range, so see how we go. Sam and Mark, this is Matt here. I think I'm picking you up on channel 24. Can you confirm? Here we go.
G'day.
How'd
How'd you go?
G'day. Oh, the Subi's looking great.
They're leaving us.
Yeah,
They're
leaving
a lot
us dead.
faster.
So I've just set up camp here. We're at Teewah camping zone. I still can't get over this place. We've been here twice now, and it'd be one of the best camps in Australia, I reckon. So we're just setting up, and we're just gonna have a bit of dinner. The colours are unreal. So Mark and Sam, they run a company called A247. I've talked about it a little bit at the moment. We've got some chairs from them, Red Road chairs. They're so good. But all their gear that they sell is like top quality stuff. You can see some of their stuff. Some of the stuff they've bought here, I'll show you right now. Have a look at this cooker.
That is
Folds
so
up
cool.
very compact as well. It's just very cool.
I like it.
I like it. This table here from Front Runner, it's just the most solid thing I've ever seen. You could probably use it as like a ramp for your vehicle if you needed to.
There's a mirror side underneath, which is
Oh,
even
Holly
better.
loves that. smooth little front runner shower system he's got going. It's so good. Nice little gravity fed shower. It's just nice being in a hot spot where you can just have a morning shower in cold water and it's beautiful, it's refreshing.
While you're here, subscribe and hit that notification bell if you haven't already.
Well, we look...
It is so hot.
So yeah, we've just put the canopy back on. It was a fair bit of work just to get everything packed in back in its normal spot and max track strap back on, and just a lot more work than there's a lot more work than usual for to put the canopy back on. But we've done it, and now we're going to go to Brisbane and maybe try and relax for the afternoon.
Yeah, I think that sounds good.
Yep.
So we are starting the Ngungun. Is it Ngungun?
Mt Ngungun. I think it's Mt Ngungun.
Mt Ngungun.
I'm probably
hike.
pronouncing that horribly wrong, so sorry.
It's 2.8 k's return, so only 1.4 up and back. A fairly easy walk, just might be steep in some sections, and it's a good view of the rest of the Glasshouse Mountains, but it's pretty busy. It's a lot of people.
We're so unfit. We haven't done a hike in so long. I think it's like the last proper hike we did was like Kalbarri, like the opposite end of the country. We're at the top here, a little bit of a lackluster, well, it's not even sunset, but I mean, there's lots of clouds, so it's going to be a bit obvious, but still unreal up here. Like the mountains are incredible. But yeah, I reckon if you got up here for sunrise or sunset in a weekday, no people, and it would be bloody nice. Hello, I am a little gimbal, I stabilize footage.
That looks so funny.
It looks like a chicken head. You know, when you hold a chicken, you move it and its head stays like that. Chickens are the original gimbals.
Matt's going to show me what he was just talking about.
Hey, it's me, Destin. As I move his body, I can move his body in pretty much any direction, and his head stays rock solid in one position. This is really hard to do. So anyway, he knows exactly where his body is.
Yeah, chickens are the original gimbals, I told you.
Join us in next week's episode as we head north towards Mackay.
So we're going to go to Mackay today, and we're going to see Cam Court. Here we are in Mackay, and today we're doing something pretty fun. We're actually going to throw some crab pots out, take Tinny out for a little burn with Cam.
And if you've liked this episode, make sure you give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you then.